Poppin' everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Dani, and if you love sneakers and streetwear, then this channel is for you, so make sure to subscribe. So guys, na-enjoy niyo ba yung aking short skit sa start ng video na to? Sa totoo lang talaga guys, matagal ko na gustong maging artista. Joke lang. Nag-enjoy ako gawin yung skit na yun. And oh my gosh guys, yung gloves, ang hirap palang mag-unbox ng naka-gloves kasi kayo na makapal yung gloves, so hirapan ako yung mag-open, yung shoe, yung i-grip. So well, enjoy naman yun. So now, let's start with the real unboxing. We have here the sneaker of the year, the Maniére Jordan 3. I love you! I love you! So now, let's start with the box. So here, as you can see, the box has the sleeve with the Maniére logo na kinda transparent siya. Ayan. It's really nice. Luxury masyado ang dating ng box, which I really like. And then dito sa baba, it has like a light gray color. And here on the top, we have a clean white na lid. I will now slide the sleeve. ASMR muna tayo guys. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, we have a Jumpman logo here on the top. Tapos nakalagay dito sa baba, flight. Tama ba? Tama, flight. Now, I will be opening the box. We have the tissue with the Maniére logo. Same pattern with the sleeve kanina of the shoebox. So now I will open it. I'll show it like this para makita nyo. The Maniére Jordan 3. Palakpakan dyan, palakpakan. Ang ganda. I will now take it out of the box. I'll also be showing you some close-up shots of the shoe so you can see it more clearly and para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung details because yung pictures of this doesn't give it justice kasi in person, ang ganda niya, sobrang ganda niya. Look at the details, elevated masyado yung mga details niya. Super clean. Right? So there, it also has two sets of laces. A white one, which is the one here sa sneaker na. And the second one is this sail color. Alright? As you can see here, on the tongue, we have the Maniére logo na naka-stitched. Ganda ng pagka-stitch niya. And then on the other pair, we have the Jumpman logo na naka-stitch rin. Here on the toe guard, we have a gray suede. Actually, there's gray suede rin yung dito. And also here. And here. And as you can see here on the midsole, we have some purple hues with this parang sail color as well. We also have sail colors here on the shoe laces banda and on the eyelets. I will be showing you close-ups so you can see it more clearly. And here as well. And now I will be showing you the outsole. Here is the outsole. It has the outsole talaga ng Jordan 3 but with different colors. Same color ng mga suede, gray, and yung purple hue. Also on the Nike logo. Alright, and of course, I will show you the back. Look at that heel tab. Sail rin ang color niya. Tapos rubber siya with the Nike Air logo at the back. And then over here, yes, queen! The writing of James Whitner's mom. Ang nakalagay is, all we have is each other. And on the other pair, ang nakalagay is, you have to get comfortable walking alone. I love it. I just love how James Whitner designed this sneaker. Tapos, he really got the inspiration from his mom, which I really, really love. I want to show you as well the quilted inner lining. See that? Satin yung ano niya material. Very nice. Para kang papasok sa comforter. Ano yung matulog ka tapos may comforter ka na parang satin na silky na quilt. Parang paa mo papasok sa comforter. Ganon. Ganon ang feeling niya. Ang ganda. And also, on the shoelaces, as you can see here, nakalagay is work harder. Same as well with the sail shoelace. May nakalagay din na work harder. And then on the insole, we have like yung parang purple colored na insole with the Maniére logo. On the other side, we have the Jumpman logo. As you can see, it also has this raw leather edges right here around the sneaker. And I just love how it gives that parang aged na look. Sobrang ganda. Actually guys, this is my first Jordan 3s and I am so proud na ito ang pinakauna ko because this sneaker ain't playing. Ang ganda talaga. It's so clean. It's so easy to pair with our clothes. And it is also a women's exclusive shoe. Thank you so much, James Whitner, the founder of Maniére, for making this a women's exclusive and giving us women a chance to cop this amazing shoe. Thank you so much. And now let's go to the sizing for the Jordan 3 Maniéres. So what I can say about the sizing is go through to size. Actually ang tinitingnan ko talaga sa sizing is the CM. And sa men's, I am a 7.5 na size and it is at 25.5 cm. So women's naman, I am a 8.5. Usually, ang sinasabi nila, ang 7.5 men's is 9 women's. Pero when you look at the CM kasi, it's a half size bigger ang 9 women's, which is a 26 cm. So ako, tinitingnan ko talaga sa lahat ng mga sneakers ko is the CM. So this is a 25.5 cm, bali 8.5 women's. Wala, tip ko lang yun sa inyo. Look na lang at the CM kasi mas accurate yung sizing pag yun ang titingnan mo. So that's a tip from Street by Dani. So that's the end of my unboxing. I wanna say thank you to my plug, Reynan, for getting me this sneaker. Thank you so much, Kuya. Shout out to you. And I want to say thank you also to Revel for my awesome t-shirt. Check them out on Instagram. Now, I'll be showing you a short on-feet look of the Jordan 3 Maniere's Raised by Women Sneaker of the Year 2021. And that's the end of this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't followed me on my socials, please follow me at streetbydani on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this video below. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. See you then. Dani out!